Norma Gigaba speeches after being arrested. Norma Gigaba has broken her silence on social media following her dramatic arrest last week Friday. She was allegedly arrested for malicious damage to property after scratching and keying estranged husband Malusi Gigaba's friend's G-Wagon. The whole incident was caused by a new cheating scandal as the word cheater was engraved in the car. She saw women crush Wednesday, a befitting occasion to celebrate herself and the women who have been showing her some support. Goes to myself and all other women who are rooting for me. Thank you for all the support and warm messages, she wrote. Gugu Kathy shows Norma Gigaba some support. Norma Gigaba is currently in a legal battle with estranged husband Malusi Gigaba after Malusi had her arrested for allegedly damaging his friend's G-Wagon. It seems as though there is more to the story as the Hawks were investigating Norma's case and raising eyebrows. After her release, more information was brought to light as Malusi had claimed that his life was under threat. Their nasty legal battle has social media divided. However, DJ Tira's wife Gugu Kathy stands by Norma no matter what. Taking to Instagram, she shared a series of pictures of the two of them, pledging her support for her friend as she goes through this difficult period in her life. I've stood with you through happy and exciting times as a sister and friend, and so I shall stand with you through the hardest times at Norma.Gigaba. That's what friends are for, she captioned her post.
Yeah.